Hello, this is Brian. I'm at the place where you pay your tickets. A few weeks ago, I got a ticket for a seatbelt, as you can see right here, and I'm going to pay that ticket with nickels and pennies and $1. The ticket comes to $25, and I'm going to pay with $25 in nickels and pennies. I would take the video camera in with me, but they don't allow any electronic devices. But I'm still going to bring my audio recorder and put it in my pocket, and that way we can finish the video out. Thank you for watching this. Alright. The sign says, well, weapons of any kind, pocket knives, cell phones, cameras, pagers are not permitted. Law Enforcement Center. Going through the doors. Hi.
Hey.
Here to pay my seatbelt ticket.
$25. Oh, Lord. Oh, sir.
What?
We can't take that.
You don't take U.S. currency.
No, it has to be dollars.
It's dollars and cents. And it's U.S. currency. Accepted by law.
The judge doesn't allow us to take that.
Alright, so you're saying that you won't accept currency as payment.
You can talk to the judge. Hold on 1 second. Step to that first window there.
Okay. I have a feeling about this. I'm just here to pay my $25 seatbelt ticket. Okay.
Okay, so they can deal with the Travis Fowler thing. I don't think they're...
So you normally don't accept coins as payment?
No, sir. Hold on 1 second. I can speak to the judge.
Because I mean, if you don't, I'd like that in writing. Waiting on the judge. They don't want to take my payment.
Got a box change.
Yeah, it's all rolled. It's currency.
Okay, let me see what you have.
I have $25.
Okay. Alrighty.
So you are accepting currency?
Just players did it.
You are accepting it?
Let me see. Hold on 1 second.
They're all rolled and they're nice. It'd be different if I just gave you a bag of loose change. But, you know, after going through the cracks of my couches. Hello? After going through the cracks of my couches, I was able to find a little bit of change.
Hey, Judge, they're going to go ahead and do it. They're on the way now to get the money.
So I guess the judge is fine with taking the currency?
Don't know
They
what's
can bring that over
there
and pay you that, right? And it was 370 even, or was it? Which one did you do it on? Which one did you do it on? It don't matter, I can do it all for one, it don't matter.
Sure, we got a mark for Delta. I can scratch that out.
Okay. Yes, sir. That was the one that was served. Thank you. Okay.
So I don't have time to come to court tomorrow. So
Alrighty.
I thought, you know, because you guys are extorting me to be safe, I'll go ahead and pay my safety ticket.
No problem. You gotta do what you gotta do.
Be sure to send roll something, and if it's not right when we count it, then it won't count as a fine, paid in full, and suspend the driver's license.
Okay.
It's all right. There's 50 pennies in each roll.
If there is. If there's not, it's not.
There is. I have my name and number on them. And
Sir, we're not responsible for that. You're responsible for the fine paid in full.
yeah, the fine is paid in full.
You could have just easily gone by the bank and brought the money up here. So if the fine's not paid in full, I'll suspend your driver's license.
Are you the judge, sir?
Yes, sir.
That is currency.
That's currency.
You do accept currency.
Yes, sir. We can accept currency, but the fine is $25.
And I just paid it.
If that is not $25, we will enter into your driver's
You can count
license
it.
suspended. We'll count it.
Okay.
We'll count it.
If there's a problem, let me know.
No, you gave the money as $25.
I paid it. You guys accepted it.
And we accepted it, and if it's not $25...
It is $25.
If it's not $25, I'll take action to suspend your license.
All right. Do whatever you have to. Thank you. Having a problem taking change. All right. That was a judge kind of scolding me for paying my fine and change. Threatening to suspend my driver's license if the 1 penny's short. You gotta love this town. This is Cherokee County. Got pulled over by a state highway patrol. Getting in my car. For my car now, I have a receipt. My receipt says paid in full. Amount paid 25, previous balance 25, balance due 0. What they're supposed to do is count it and make sure that it's there before they give me a receipt saying they accept it. All right, that's all for now.